An operand is a value or variable that an operator acts upon in an expression. Operands can include literals, such as numbers or strings, variables that store data, or complex expressions that produce a value. For example, in the expression 5 plus 3, both 5 and 3 are operands, while the plus is the operator. Similarly, in a logical operation like is active and is online, is active and is online are operands, and is the operator. Understanding operands is essential for evaluating expressions and manipulating data types.